Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we're gonna be going to do some upgrades on the baby D-Max. What we're gonna do is just do remember how I told you guys I don't like how it has the chrome bumpers, the chrome grille and stuff like that. So we're taking it to F.I.S. over here in Fontana, California, and we're getting that color match done. We're gonna get the color match, and then we're gonna get a bed liner on the bed of the truck because there's no bed liner in. It's already all scratched up, and I've only had it like 2 weeks. So throw the bed liner on and have it all nice and clean, and we're about to pull up. So let's see where this guy's at. It's somewhere around here, probably in one of these. But where? Oh, took the wrong. Where is it? F.I.S. I forgot which thing he was at. God damn it. Where is it at? Found it. F.I.S. Whew. Man, it's crowded. Yeah, let's go see where this guy is actually at. So yeah, just literally dropped it off. They're picking it up already. They're already taking it back to get to work on it. Now that's some good customer service. Whew. There it goes. Yeah, today's Thursday. They said they're gonna try to have it by Wednesday. That way I can pick it up and be ready to roll in it. So, whew, can't wait to see how it comes out. Just like I said, simple little things that I feel makes a huge difference. For instance, like those wheels that I put on, this little color match. And yeah, stay tuned to see how it comes out. Woo! So the weekend passed. Remember I dropped off the truck at F.I.S. It's time to pick it up. It's 3 o'clock. I'm super far from F.I.S. I'm like 2 hours away with all this damn traffic. But yeah, I'm fucking excited. My baby D-Max is coming back. I'm actually gonna be leaving Texas tonight, once I pick up the truck and do a couple things that I need to do. But yeah, I'm fucking ready. I'm excited. Let's see how this baby D-Max came out. Honestly, shout out to F.I.S. When did I drop it off? I dropped off the truck on Thursday before leaving to Texas. Today's Wednesday, so it literally like 7 days. They knocked it out, which was the front end, the mirror caps, the back bumper, pretty much the chrome delete, and the Linex bed too. So excited, can't wait to see it. I honestly missed that truck. I had to get a rental. I'm in a Dodge, but yeah, don't get me wrong, it's nice, but there's nothing like my Chevy. I don't know, I'm a die-hard Chevy I'm a die-hard Chevy guy. So yeah, let's go pick it up. Had to pull over and get some motherfucking snacks, some fucking lemonades with tapatios, and I had to get this fucking driver, but don't mind this guy. We're almost there, an hour away. Fucking shit. You just fucking got on. You gonna go to sleep already?
Yes, motherfucker.
You're a fucking lazy ass guy. You need to stop hanging out with fucking Danny, dude.
That's my boy right there. He's different though.
Next thing you know, I'm gonna fucking see you with motherfucking pink hair too.
Nah, that's not happening.
Vuela, vuela. No te hace falta equipo.
just pulling up. Where is she at? Oh, I got fucking excited. Where are you? I found you. Whoo, 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 whoo. Damn. It's not even my truck. This thing looks so fucking sick. Oh my god. I'm not a fan of chrome, so I just try to get it as deleted as soon as possible. But look at, just check it out real quick. Ooh, god damn. Woo, man. This motherfucker does not know how to fucking drive. I told him to go slow because I want to get some videos of it. Nah, this motherfucker passes by smashing. Oh my god, I hate retarded people. Woo! Damn. Sexy. Not the driver, that nigga ugly, but it looks so good. I know it's stock, I know it's nothing big, but honestly, these guys over at F.I.S. did a badass job. I'll do a full walk around as soon as I get home, but honestly, these guys knocked it out of the park with this one. Woo! That front end though. Look at that. It honestly looks, you can't even tell that it was color matched. That's how good of a job these guys did. They literally took everything apart and color matched it. The mirrors, look at this. Woo! Boom, and I can still put them inside. Like I said, you can't even tell that they are color. I mean, you can, because these don't come color. Honestly, well, my favorite part about the front end is this bow tie. I just love how that shit just pops out. Like the gold, honestly, is probably my favorite. But let's look at the back. Look at, same thing here. Boom. Looks so good. And another thing that was pretty badass, the bed liner. I had them do the bed liner as well. Look at this. Woo. Honestly, looks so damn good. Look at, they even took these off before doing the Line X. Like, look at that, all the little details. Honestly, just did a badass job on this. So yeah, guys, there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think. And if you guys ever need any type of work, that I know they do insurance claims, all types of work, from color matches to body work to liner, like I said, any kind of work, make sure you guys hit up F.I.S. 100% recommended. Woo, just looks so damn good.